Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Union and Association but ka All Indian Trade Union Congress Meghalaya Unit Minne ka Laitrek Naiwing Aja Arpway kila pelong ka Jingaki ka baki nong yalam ka Seng la pelong ha upes joki halor ka Mjctu&A company Petrol diesel but gas ka badang mi kisi kila ong rupa ka Mjctu&A company ka lakta jo rikinong bala paru na kalian kini ke arti kiseng kila perem jor ya ka sarkar par kila pensngau ru ba ka deben penher dor ya ka umpnyang papan bu dor batikirai ka bai taxi
prices, petrol diesel prices, which is increasing every day, and there is no sign of any action, any concrete action by the government to control it. As the whole country is celebrating the 100 crores vaccination, every day you find something in TV, radio, everywhere they are celebrating 100 crore vaccination has been done. At the same time, petrol prices has gone up more than 100, diesel prices also gone more than 100. The government is quite silent, including Prime Minister is quite silent on it. People are suffering. Again, we find some sections of common people are being misled. Yesterday I have seen some people sending some messages. This petrol price hike is for good because it will control the use of petrol and thereby save environment. Ridiculous ideas. Someone was sending message that now because of Diwali, some Dhanteras program, people are purchasing ornaments, 3 crores, 5 crores ornaments, when people have so much of money, why they cannot pay 100 rupees for petrol? What a ridiculous idea. Those who are purchasing ornaments for 3 crores, 5 crores, they are not common people. The burden is on the common people, for all of us. And we do not have crores of rupees to buy ornaments. We do not have lakhs also. So this is the position we have here throughout the country. And in Meghalaya, particularly, we have another situation that because there is very minimal public transport, the students, general commuters, they have to travel by private taxis, and private taxis are charging as they like according to their sweet will. People from rural areas have to bear all these tortures. I'm saying that torture they have to bear with these things. So life has become really miserable. Not only this petrol diesel prices. What is the price of, say, let us say mustard oil, which was about 100 rupees a year back. Now it has come up to 260 rupees per liter. If you buy Kachi Gali mustard per liter, it is 260 rupees. In last 2 months, the latest we have got a batch in 2 months back, it was 235 rupees per liter. Yesterday, the new batch has come, that is 265 rupees per liter. That's how it is increasing. Not only mustard oil, similarly sunflower oil and all other rapeseed oils, their prices are also increasing almost in every consignment. Who is facing all this with the common people? The rich people do not bother. So all of us are facing this tremendous price rise situation, whereas the income of the people has remained stagnant, and because of COVID, income of the people in fact has gone down. How to pay? You come in. So in this respect, we had decided the Manla Joint Council of Trade Union Associations and Manla chapter of All India Trade Union Congress will have a joint demonstration program today and will submit resolutions adopted today to the Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, for bringing the issue up to the, not only to the state government, through the Chief Secretary, the issue will be brought up to the Union government. So these are the real situations that we are facing. And today's program is basically our general protest against price rise. We urge upon the government to control it, not only to control it, to reduce the prices of all commodities, not only petrol, diesel, LPG, but all other commodities, and give relief to the people. If we are a benevolent government, if it is a welfare state, the state must work for the people, not for the business or corporate sectors. That is what is most important to have to follow through.
1968, in this Quinton Road, one person died of police firing. His name was Shankar. In that place, Shankarpur Kaisto. And the cause is the tremendous, at that time what US has done to India in 1968, that against the price rise. So it is not the new thing for the trade union. But nowadays, the trade unions have been thrust to the backbenches by the government and also the general masses. Have you seen in Shillong any protest by anybody of this sort that against the price rise? Earlier it was there. It was heartening to see that one NGO that day they have protested against the price rise of this fuel price. Not only the fuel price, today in the resolution it has given in Shillong, but price of petrol has increased to 120 rupees in Madhya Pradesh, 105 rupees in Bombay in diesel price. Gas price last month we have purchased it 1,020, and I heard that now another 250 rupees will be increased. And the Prime Minister Ujala scheme, the downtrodden, the below poverty line has been given the gas. But how they will purchase the gas for 1,020 rupees or 1,250 rupees? I have seen a clip that the people in the below poverty line, they put the gas cylinder and put it in their ponds and go back to same thing, that is smoky, this one, when our Prime Minister used to see that the sisters and mothers आंसू पोंछने के लिए हमने ये किया था. So comrades, these are the facts. I as a trade union leader, I will see that I am a failure. I could not motivate some people against the price rise. The biggest one under the Mjctu&A. Every year we used to do demonstration program in front of the state secretariat, that is near CTO building. We never came a single person from the state secretariat. If you see in the other state, the state secretariat people, the state, not only secretariat, the state government employees, they used to come, but it is not there. Now the central government and the bank employees or the PSUs, they are somehow insulated. Whenever the price rise, DA will be raised. But what about the poor people, poor farmer here? I can give you an example. As a bank employee, I have to work during the COVID time, and I have seen when the total curfew was in present. And I have seen the coriander leaves which we buy now, one part is 10 rupees. And that COVID situation, total big one, 50 of that total motha, they purchased, they sold it out at 10 rupees. I am very happy. Yes, I got that to 10 rupees these things. But can you imagine? I have seen many where in COVID situation I have seen what is happening to the downtrodden people. Here in the resolution we are taking the taxi fare or what is the public transport system totally collapsed in Shillong, in Meghalaya. From the place, from the village people, they could not come to Bada Bazar, could not sell. You know the ginger in this building itself. I have learned from Comrade Lahirida that how ginger was wasted in the river area. We have seen this time also. Ginger has been wasted like anything. Cabbage, they have brought it, and because it is due to high cost of transportation, they could not sell and they throw away in the roads. So these are the things, comrade. So we must resolve that we should not be demotivated. We should come forward. We have to go to the masses. Anyway, we have to go to the masses and ask them to rise against the price rise. And definitely when this anguish or this thing so we can show, definitely price rise will be rolled back. Thank you, comrade.